how to find your pin in Roblox. So here what we want to do is open up Roblox, click on the cogwheel, and then we are going to go to help and safety. Here just select help center, and we want to search the articles for pin. And you will see this I forgot the pin, so click on I forgot the pin here. And then from this section we will just click on contact form. It will load up a new website like so, and here we will have to type out our username, first name, and email address. So this email address is really important because we will receive a confirmation here on this email address, so we will receive the email. Now, what device are you having the problem on? Here I'm going to do PC because I play Roblox on PC. And type of help category, we want to click on this menu, and we will just select account hacked or can't log in. And another menu is going to appear here. We will just do account pin. Now you will describe your issue. I forgot my Roblox pin and I can't access my settings. I'd like to reset it if possible. You will type something like this and then click on continue. This will send an email to Roblox support, and they will walk you through the process of resetting your PIN on Roblox. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.